Couple of things left to do. I put these blocks on here so I can mount my ears and they won't slide on me with the block in there. So we're going to get the ears mounted. I've marked where I want to put them so we can get them in. I used a little bit of glue and then we put a screw in there, which we'll cover up later when we seal the head. And we'll do the same to the other side. Got the screw and a little bit of glue. So with the screw in there, they're not going to fall off on you. And then we can take these blocks off. We'll make sure they're straight before they dry. So now we got our ears on. So our last step is we want to put some grooves in here for the teeth. I'm using a small Dremel bit here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. And then we'll also take this eye hook here and we'll put it in the bottom. That's going to be for a rubber band. Now we're all set. We're just going to give this a good final sanding with our palm sander, and then we'll be ready to seal the head. So thanks for watching.